Welcome to the ultimate Las Vegas travel guide, where we will immerse ourselves in the dazzling city of lights and explore all the fantastic thrills it has to offer. From world-famous casinos to breathtaking shows, from gourmet dining to thrilling adventures, Las Vegas is a paradise of entertainment and excitement. Join us on this journey as we uncover the hidden gems and the iconic landmarks of this incredible city. Our first stop is the iconic Las Vegas Strip, a 4.2-mile stretch that is the heartbeat of this vibrant city. Lined with larger-than-life hotels and resorts, each with its unique theme, the Strip is a sight to behold. Step inside these luxurious hotels, and you'll be transported to different worlds. Marvel at the famous dancing fountains of the Bellagio, where water and music dance in perfect harmony. Take a gondola ride through the picturesque Venice canals at the Venetian, complete with Italian architecture and street performances. Or experience the grandeur of ancient Rome at Caesar's Palace, where the opulence will leave you in awe. The Strip truly offers a world tour experience, all in one captivating destination. Las Vegas is synonymous with casinos, and the excitement of the gaming floors is palpable. Each casino offers a unique ambiance and an array of games of chance and skill. Whether you're a seasoned gambler or trying your luck for the first time, the energy of the casinos is infectious. From poker tables buzzing with anticipation, to the colorful array of slot machines, from the intensity of blackjack to the spin of the roulette wheel, the casinos on the Strip are a paradise for all enthusiasts. As the sun sets, Las Vegas transforms into an entertainment capital like no other. Prepare to be dazzled by world-class performances that will leave you speechless. From the acrobatic wonders of Cirque du Soleil to mesmerizing magic acts, from captivating concerts featuring A-list performers to hilarious comedy shows, Las Vegas has a show for every taste. Don't miss the chance to witness these breathtaking performances that will create memories to cherish forever. Las Vegas is a culinary paradise, offering a feast for your taste buds with its vast selection of dining options. Savor Michelin-starred cuisine prepared by world-renowned chefs, or indulge in succulent steaks at the city's finest steakhouses. From international cuisine to traditional favorites, from glamorous fine dining restaurants to delightful food trucks, Las Vegas caters to every culinary desire. If you seek adventure, Las Vegas has an abundance of thrilling experiences to offer. Take a helicopter tour over the majestic Grand Canyon, where the breathtaking views will leave you awestruck. Embark on an off-road desert adventure and explore the rugged beauty of the surrounding landscapes. Experience the adrenaline rush of skydiving, or the exhilaration of indoor skydiving, all within the city limits. Las Vegas takes retail therapy to a whole new level. Explore high-end fashion boutiques offering the latest trends, and browse through the premium outlets for unbeatable deals. From designer brands to unique souvenirs, Las Vegas offers a shopping experience like no other. As the night falls, Las Vegas lights up with its vibrant nightlife. Dance the night away at some of the hottest clubs in the world, where top DJs keep the party going until dawn. Or enjoy a more relaxed evening at a stylish cocktail bar, sipping on expertly crafted beverages. The city that never sleeps ensures that the party is always on. If you have some extra time, venture beyond the city limits and discover the natural wonders surrounding Las Vegas. Take a day trip to the Hoover Dam, an engineering marvel that stands as a testament to human ingenuity. Witness the stunning beauty of the Red Rock Canyon, a haven for hikers and nature enthusiasts. Explore the awe-inspiring Valley of Fire, with its vibrant red sandstone formations that seem to come alive in the desert sun. These nearby attractions add a touch of natural wonder to your Las Vegas adventure. The MSG Sphere, a colossal spherical structure that now graces the Las Vegas skyline, has finally been illuminated after facing numerous challenges during its construction. The project's price surged to $2.3 billion due to inflation and supply chain pressures, almost double its initial estimate of $1.2 billion. This remarkable structure is the largest of its kind in the world, standing 516 feet wide and 366 feet tall. With a seating capacity for 17,600 spectators and standing room for an additional 20,000 people, it promises to be an extraordinary venue for various events and concerts. Its main attraction, the Exosphere, boasts a 580,000 square foot fully programmable LED exterior, which will create a stunning visual spectacle. MSG Entertainment, the newly independent division of the Madison Square Garden Company, took over the construction management role after AECOM's transition from the general contractor position in December 2020. Initially, MSG anticipated the project to cost around $1.2 billion in 2019, but a series of cost escalations starting in late 2020 led to the final price of $2.3 billion. Scheduled to officially open on September 29, the MSG Sphere will kick off with a U2 concert. Following its grand opening, the venue will introduce Sphere Experiences in October, featuring content specially designed to take advantage of the venue's impressive 4D display capabilities. Inside the Sphere, viewers will be immersed in a fully engaging visual environment as the display plane wraps around the entire audience. The technology will allow for 4D elements such as changing temperatures, cool breezes, and familiar scents, providing a multi-sensory experience to the guests. Moreover, the venue promises impeccable audio quality for every seat and event. In November, the MSG Sphere will play a prominent role during the Formula One Las Vegas Grand Prix, gaining significant exposure through takeover of the Exosphere for race-related content, activations, and advertising. Even between events, the Exosphere will not remain dormant. It will showcase a diverse range of artistic and branded content daily, from captivating rituals like sunrise and sunset to engaging brand campaigns. This groundbreaking venue is set to revolutionize entertainment experiences in Las Vegas and beyond. Please comment below which city you would like a video created about. Also need everyone's help getting subscribers, so please hit that button and like the video. God bless.